Before you step inside that airport and start your journey to your first or next ship, I want to share something important with you. Your joining date is coming, your excitement is high, but one question is always come to mind. Ano ba talaga ang kailangan kong dalhin? A lot of crew members only realize what they forgot when they already on board. Some things are expensive to buy on the ship and some things you cannot replace easily. So in this video, let's talk about what you should buy, what you should pack in your luggage, and what you should keep in your hand carry before joining your cruise ship. First, your important documents. Please, never put your important documents inside your checked luggage. Keep them with you in your hand carry. Make sure you have passport, seaman's book, visa, joining instructions, contract, medical certificates, training certificates, flight details, and other company requirements. Your hand carry is your lifeline during travel. If your luggage gets delayed, at least your documents are safe. Second, medicine and vitamins. Next, bring your own basic medicine. When you're on board, you don't want to suddenly look for medicine when you don't feel well. Things like headache medicine, fever medicine, cold and cough medicine, motion sickness medicine, stomach medicine, and vitamins. If you have personal medication, make sure you bring enough supply and the proper prescription if needed. Remember, taking care of your health on board is very important. Third, socks and undergarments. Next, don't forget your socks. A lot of first timers underestimate this. You will be walking and standing for many hours, especially during duty. Bring enough socks and comfortable undergarments. Trust me, having extra pairs will make your life easier on board. Fourth, toiletries and personal items. Bring your personal items or essentials, things like toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, soap, deodorant, razor, and skincare products. Don't bring too much because your cabin space is limited. Bring what you actually use. Fifth, electronics. Bring your electronics wisely. I recommend bringing phone charger, extra charging cable, power bank, and universal adapter. A power bank is very useful during flights, long layovers, and travel days. Can you bring a hair dryer? Another question I always hear from new crew. Can I bring my hair dryer? Yes, you can bring your hair dryer. Most cruise lines allow personal hair dryers, but always check your company's rules because policies can be different depending on the ship. What to put in your checked luggage? Now let's talk about your luggage. Usually, your allowance can be around 2 checked luggage around 23 kilos each, total around 46 kilos. You can put clothes, shoes, socks, toiletries, hair dryer, personal items, extra bags, things you need for your cabin life. My advice, don't fill your luggage with unnecessary things. Remember, when you join the ship, you can also need space for things you might buy during your contract. What to put in your 7 kilo hand carry? For your hand carry, usually around 7 kilos, pack the things you cannot afford to lose. Put documents, wallet, phone, charger, power bank, medicine, one extra set of clothes, and basic toiletries. Why one extra set of clothes? Because sometimes flights get delayed or luggage arrives late. It's better to be prepared. Very important, bring photos of your family. And one more thing, don't forget something that is not expensive but very important. Bring pictures of your family, your parents, your children, your spouse, or the people who support you, because there will be days on board when you feel tired, homesick, or you miss home. A simple picture can remind you why you are working hard. Sometimes it's not the salary that keeps you going, it's the reason behind your sacrifice. So before your joining date, prepare not only your luggage but also your mindset. Pack smart, bring what you need, take care of your documents and your health. To all future crew members watching this, congratulations on your new journey. Your first step on board is coming. Good luck, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.